I wonder how I'm going to do this for screen recording. I thought it'd be cool to make my own little fish tank video. As you can see, the first thing I did was change my desktop wallpaper. I like this. It's kind of cool actually. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I use OBS and record my screen and then use this cute little app I found in the Windows 10 store called Fishy Fishy Fish app. It's like a desktop pet, but it's really called a widget. That's what they call it. It's in the Windows 10 store. Fishy Fishy Fish. Pretty cool. And I made a video about this and uploaded on YouTube a short bit ago. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool if I can add sound to this? Some bubbles, you know, and then you know, do some video editing. Wouldn't it be cool? I think it'd be cool. So that's what I did. I record the fish and I'm swimming across the screen here with this wallpaper, and that's the first result. Let me show you the first result of that. And I trimmed the video a little bit. See here. And when I trimmed the video, this is the end result. This is the first part. Then I thought, hey, I can use Story Remix. Let's see how that's cool. It's supposed to replace the Windows Movie Maker. Maybe I can add a sound effect to this using it. So I went, let's see, close this out. I went, I clicked here and I clicked on the photo app again and I brought this up, okay? And then I clicked on You Are the Director thing here, because this is the Windows 10 photo app and the Story Remix is built into it. It's kind of stupid actually, but this is what I did. And then so I selected the silent video and I clicked add. And so then I dragged it down into the timeline. And then I added a sound file that was approximately the same length as the video, 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I clicked on music to find my sound file that I made. I clicked on your music, select music file. And then I selected Fish Tank Sounds number 2. And then I clicked done. And I clicked play to see what it would sound like. But it's too loud. Will it do it slower? See, that's bug number 1. It won't turn the volume up or down. It just don't work. That part don't work. So this volume is the same. So I must have turned all the way back. What the hell not? So anyway, I exported and shared. I exported it, and when I exported it and stuff, I choose medium. This is the step 2 of my final recording. I thought that was pretty cool. Okay. But you know something? I thought to myself, hey, that part was cool. It let me add an MP3 to my video in my timeline, and it let me export it and share it, and that was the end result over here. That's my second video, and I thought, why not add some 3D effects, right? Maybe this thing's starting to be fun. But guess what? It crashes at the last part. Let me show you the part where it crashes. So I click on 3D effects, right? And I'm thinking, okay, I got some 3D effects here. And it doesn't matter which one I choose, they all crash at the end. At the saving part, you'll see. I wanted some bubbles. Okay? And here you can make how big you want the bubbles and what direction you want the bubbles to go into and where you want the bubbles to start and stuff like that. So I figure, okay, this is cool. And this is the length of time it plays. Now, maybe it's because it only wants to save at a short bit, but when I drag this, the length of time I want that effect to last, you know, and it will show you what your effects will be. See what I mean? It kind of skips around. See what I mean? So that part works okay. The previewing works alright. And it'll play it all the way across. And that part works just fine. Now, when you click done, or move to where you want to attach the effect, and that part's off, and I tried that, and it doesn't really matter, it still crashes. So when I click done, it crashes. This is what happens. It's gonna crash. We're saving your chance, it'll be just a moment, and it'll crash. See what I mean? It crashed, and it doesn't save it. And that's where the bug is in the story remix when adding 3D effects. So that's the bummer part. But it will let you add an MP3 sound file into the timeline. It will do that. And it will let you export it. But the 3D effects, it'll let you preview the 3D effects, but it won't let you save it. But hey, let's try something. I want to try this one thing, okay? Let's try this thing together. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this again, click on creations because I created something, right? I'm going to delete these other ones. And just concentrate on this one. Okay, so it's still got the sound effects, right? From this video right here. That's what it put in there. Okay, so now I'm going to try this. Maybe the 3D effect was too long of duration. Okay, I'm going to try the bubbles again. And I'm going to try this a little bit longer one, right? And then I am going to click preview. Okay, so it previewed nice, right? I'm going to drag it back. And so now let's click done. Let's see if it crashes again, because I'm thinking maybe the duration is much shorter. Maybe with a shorter duration, it'll not crash. Let's check it out. Nope, it crashed. Okay, Microsoft, you need to fix your 3D effects not sticking. It's making the whole project crash, and people have to like start over and over again. So you need to fix that, Microsoft. Story Remix has some promise, but it's got some bugs. That's all I have to say.